Coming live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Guys, check this out. And these are the latest technology I have right here for you. So UPS just drop it. I was talking to my buddy on the phone, my YouTube buddy, brother, Yankee for Bobby, and the UPS guy just ding dong on the front door. I was like, hold on, Yankee. Someone at the door dropped this thing. I was like, uh-oh. I said, Yankee, you better tune back to your channel, or to my channel. It's something that just came in. So, I don't want to know. Don't tell me. I'll wait for the video. So, guys, Yankee, this is a surprise. Let's check this out, okay? I'll pull this one out and see exactly what is in there. Guys, like and subscribe. Go to Yankee's channel. Give him some love. Tell him that JW Solar USA sent you. Thank you guys for being a subscriber. Thank you guys for viewing my videos and streaming. And I ask you guys to go to my friend, one of my best friends on YouTube. A lot of you guys are my friends. Yankee's a friend of mine. We're talking buddy. We call all the time, talk for hours on the phone. So, guys, I want you guys to go back and give him some love and subscribe to his channel. Tell him that JW Solar USA sent you. Help him out, okay? All right, stay tuned. All right, now I already got one of the boxes open. I don't think I'm going to be taking all of them out, but it's really hard to put them back. You know, sometimes the way they pack things and trying to do it back, it's not the same. So, let's go. What do we have here, guys? What do we have here? Check this out. Street light lamps. Look at that. As a remote control. And check this. I'm just gonna pan the thing for you guys to see all the latest what is in here. This is really cool lights, and I had some of them I already did a review before, and you guys saw the videos. Those are like 2500 lumens. You know, since the gas price is all expensive now and everything is going up, and even parts, these lights came online and all of a sudden and they're gone. People are just buying them like crazy because for the fuel price, and due to that, because of the you know, you don't have to pay for electricity, it powered by itself, and they're really bright. It came with a pole. I think this is a 2.5 inch wide. Look like it's not that strong, but it has already made in an angle how you're gonna set up this guy this way, like this way, okay, like this way. So you can have the angles tilt so that you can able to mount your solar panel, and it comes with the studs that go on if you want to put in the concrete or something, and you can just bolt it. It comes through these holes right here. So guys, we're gonna do this. I have, oh boy, look at this. This is huge. Well, it's really light though. Wow, I'm surprised. It's light. Yeah, well, they don't want to make it too heavy because it's gonna be up the sky, and it's, you know, it has to really be light. It has the sensor right here. It's a solar light radar. The radar sensor, it sweeps like continuously to check the status if like someone is coming, motion sensor. And this one is built with lithium ion phosphate batteries. This is the panel. It's gonna look like you really have to tilt this one because or else water is gonna sit. These are one of the I just noticed this right away. You know, the way it's designed, you can see how it's clamped, like using the thing mounting on a ground mount for solar panels on a unit strut, or how people normally do this thing. The design, whatever, it wasn't showed like this on the website online, but I didn't like right now. For now, these are just like the cons right now. I don't like these grooves here. These grooves can collect water. If you set this thing just this angle, it's always gonna be like water sitting on it. Although they put like a little drainage system right here, there's a hole right there. But if this one gets like a all mugged or slugged, just plug that thing, or dirt or debris, you're in so much trouble. Because let's see, I thought it's cracked here. That's all I was looking at. Or just a plastic. It looked like a plastic. So if dirt or debris sits on this thing, it's gonna be collecting water, and water is probably gonna try and penetrate on this thing. But if you look at it, it's designed in a way that the water can't even get in here. But look at this guy. It has, I think, I forgot. I'll put that on the description below. This little LEDs. Then I can tell you how much all total. We'll multiply that, okay? So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think it's 15. So 15 straight line. Let's multiply across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think it's 14 or 15. So 15 across, 15 vertical. So that gives you, you multiply this 15 times 15. Okay, 15 times 15, you get the answer for that, for just this light bulb. And now you add this times 8 of that. Okay, 15 times 15. When you already get 15 times 15, the total you have here, multiply that by 8. You know, I think it's over 1,000 something. I think 1,600 or 1,500 LEDs. Look at them. Look at that. So it comes with the remote control, but when you install it, this is where it's gonna go in. And when you install it, it's really light though. It's really light. They have to push. Make sure you push this button first before you configure. You're gonna mount it up. But kind of scared right now. I don't want that brightness to really be on my face. Okay, let's do it. Let's try and trigger that. Okay, because you turn it on, then the other one is gonna go through with your remote. Your remote's gonna turn the lights on, and mostly because of the lights is on here, filming, it can deprive as well. He thinks it's still daylight. So this is what I have for you guys, and I hope you like. Subscribe and share. Here we go. I just found the remote control right in the corner here. So I'm gonna see if I can able to trigger that. So you can put it on 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and always on, or put it on induction. Induction is when you turn this on when it senses thermal from a human or any movements or something. Then it triggers the sensor right there, because that radar system equipped sweeping constantly to capture what is going on here. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, so let's initialize the system. I got the batteries on here. You see the off button right here, and what we're gonna do, let's push the lights for 2 hours here. Well, you're not gonna be able to see the brightness though, because it's gonna, the camera sensor is gonna whoa, 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 this is cool. And I look at it, I started doing all that wavy stuff. Let's try back and get this focus. Yeah, so it's really bright. Wow, The always on. Look at all these LEDs. Look at them. You know, it's kind of weird when you always use the camera. It gives you this kind of flicky stuff. But there's a function you can change on the camera that I think is going to help you if you're going to improve professional settings. And it's always going to be really cool. That's another mode right there. Yeah, that's the induction. After a while, it's going to go off. Let's move a little bit away from it and see if it's going to go off. Like and subscribe, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. And stay tuned for more to come. This is going to be for the off-grid solar homestead. Yeah, JW Solar homestead. It's coming soon. Check it out. It's going to be a new channel. This is how bright it is. And I have an induction mode. I was going to wait till it goes to the induction mode. And it dims, and all of a sudden it sees someone, then it's just gonna start scanning and go all the way bright. But to be honest with you, the radar system is really powerful. I was like 6 or 7 feet away from it, and I was sitting down. Okay, there you go. You caught it on camera, and it went on induction mode. So this is like giving you 40% or 30% of the light ambient. And now I have the my camera lights on. That's why you don't even see that much. You think that probably is way too bright. But let's shut the camera lights off and see. There we go. We got the induction mode, and it's still bright, approximately 20 watt, or 15 watt. So 15 watts bulb. That's how it looks like. I don't know. I was gonna stand and see if all the LED lights. I was sitting down. Oh, now I get caught busted. Oh boy. I get busted.